Hi, Jason here. I've really grown to love Metamask. It's so easy to create your own account. It makes it easy to safely participate in multiple Web3 projects. You can create multiple wallets, one for each project, each with its separate address. This makes it easy to keep track and safely interact with all your Web3 projects. Enjoy this tutorial I made and get your Metamask set up today.
In this video I will show you how to install a Metamask wallet in Chrome. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, open up Google Chrome and search for Metamask. Here, you can see the metamask.io website. It is the official website. Just click on that to open it. And then click on Download. And then select Chrome. Scroll down and click on Install Metamask for Chrome. It will open the Chrome App Store. Then add this Metamask extension to Chrome. Go ahead and click on that to add it to the Chrome browser. And now, click on Add Extension. After that, this page will open, and click on Get Started. If you already have a Metamask wallet, you can use your secret recovery phrase to import your existing wallet. However, if you are going to create a new wallet, just click on Create a Wallet, and read this. Click on I agree, and create a password that is a minimum of 8 characters. Then indicate you have read and agree to the terms of use. You can see those terms by clicking on this. Then click on Create. And then, this step is the important one. Play this video to learn about the secret recovery phrase. After watching the video, you will then know why that secret recovery phrase is so very important. You need to take note of that phrase, and write it down on a piece of paper, and store it in a very safe and secret storing place. Don't share the secret recovery phrase with anyone. Now on this page, you can see that you can click here to reveal your secret words. And so, you can also see the warning, never to disclose your secret phrase. Anyone, with this phrase, can take your ether forever. So, if anyone knows your secret storing place, they could get your phrase and access your wallet. So make sure to keep your secret recovery phrase safe, without anyone knowing where. Or you can also memorize this phrase, but either way, you will have to know this secret recovery phrase to get your account back if you ever lose access to your wallet. So, write it down, and store it safely without anyone knowing. Then click here to reveal the secret words. I have blocked this out, however, this is showing a bunch of words, in a particular order. You can memorize this or you can write it down. Keep it safe, and click on Next. This here is asking you to confirm your secret recovery phrase. For this, at the bottom, the secret recovery phrase words are scrambled. You just need to click them in correct order. After selecting each phrase word in the correct order, you can click on Confirm, and it will show some tips for storing your phrase safely. You should read that for tips, and then click on All Done. There you are. That is all you have to do. That is how you can easily create your own Metamask wallet on Chrome. Go ahead and create yours now. Get Metamask. Then look for how to add BNB to your wallet. You will be shown how to easily add BNB to your Metamask wallet. Then just swap it right within Metamask for the USDT BEP20, which you will use to fund your Fusion Xperience trading account. If you haven't created your Fusion Xperience account, I don't know what you are waiting for. There is limited time for new accounts to be created. So, go to fxpid.com and sign up right now.